Hi everyone, hope you are okay. Today we are starting our new culinary costing series in which I will teach you how to calculate exact worth of our recipe. These costing methods are also used by big restaurant owners. We are starting our series with our most beloved dish or snack or a fast food item is beef burger. First of all, I will teach you the basic of culinary costing. In culinary, we have to break down our recipe for the exact price of ingredients. Then we have to calculate separately the elements we are using in our recipe. Our agenda for today is to learn beef burger costing, but for your convenience, I have break down the costing into two parts. First part conclude beef patty costing and second part conclude assembling of beef burger. Have you ever wondered how much it really costs to make your favorite burger? Now let's start with beef patty. First let's talk about ingredients we have. Ground or minced beef, seasoning garlic, onion and mustard. Now we will break down the cost for each of our ingredient. But in this video I will use the currency is Pakistani rupee in your but you can use this method also in dollars or pounds or euros. You can use this method in any currency you want. First of all, we will write how much quantity we purchased from the market to make our beef patty, and in the next column we will write the prices of that ingredients we have purchased from the market, and in the third column we will write how much quantity we have used to prepare that beef patty. And now the difficult part comes. Now we have to calculate unit cost. In Excel you can calculate the unit cost by applying just a simple formula, but I will teach you theoretically that how to calculate unit cost. If anybody don't have Excel or a PC or a laptop, so they can easily use this theoretical formula and calculate the unit cost. The formula is you have to divide the quantity used upon the quantity purchased, multiply the answer with the cost of quantity purchased. So you will get your unit cost. Now we are back to Excel. In unit cost column we will apply a simple formula. For your convenience I have also placed the formula on the screen. First we will select quantity used cell, then divide sign and quantity purchase cell, and then multiply sign and select cost of quantity purchase cell, then press enter and your answer will be there. You have to apply this formula in all the cells of your unit cost column. But remember one thing, when the value comes in points or decimals, so you have to round off it. Now you have to sum the values of quantity used column by applying a simple formula equal to sum and select all the values of the column. Now you have to use the same formula in the unit cost column and sum all the values, also round off the decimal values. Remember that. After calculating the unit cost, we will calculate the preparation cost per portion. If you don't know, so I will tell you that a ordinary person meal is for one time for is 400 to 450 gram. So ideally we will use 150 gram of a beef patty, that so it combines that a whole meal of a beef burger combines to 400 to 450 grams that the ideal restaurant serves to its customer. So we know that our portion size is 150 gram and the total weight is 570 gram of our beef patty mixture. So we will divide it by 3, so 3 portion will be concluded from 570 gram. And then for preparation cost we will use total unit cost divided by the portions so per patty of 150 gram will cost us 160 rupees. So this was our part 1 for beef burger costing. If you like it, please like and subscribe and share this video.